G'day everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to jump on the bike, go for a bit of a road trip. We're going to head up to Secret Waterfall, and then after that we're going to go up to Virgin Beach, have a swim maybe. There's a couple of rooms up there, we'll have lunch as well. Should be a good day. We're just going to get ready and then head out. We've only been going for about 20 minutes. Time for a coffee already. Just found this little place here. Coffee. They're trying to get me to try this stuff. I don't know what it is, but they said it makes you strong. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments below. I got no idea, but it's supposed to make you strong. Well, that's what they say here. All right, we're having coffee. We're gonna get going in a bit, not far away from the waterfalls. Yo.
So we've come on the bike and made it up to Secret Garden. It's pretty secret, there's no one else here. We're all on our own. Lovely. Bit of rain at the moment, a bit grey. That's okay, a lot cooler. This is owned by a family, it's on their land. They said he's the founder. This cool hut, get us out of the rain for now. There he is, Dira. Beautiful. Warung Secret Army. Beautiful.
So here we are at Waterfall. The owner of the property, of the land, just gave us a rundown on he only found this waterfall in 2018. And we're like some of the first people that have been here. Because of COVID, it then stopped again for a couple of years. But it's a very secretive place, so we won't be dropping the pin for this place. We're going to keep it a secret for him. All right, let's keep walking.
Just to hit the bell, to excuse to the nature. And also down there we decided to pray before we continue. Now hit the
The
bell.
construction they've done here, this path and railing was done last year. I mean, this is probably one of the best paths and railing I've seen to any waterfall in Bali. Good quality concrete steps, good solid metal railing. This place is just so beautiful. The steps, the railing, we're coming into bamboo now, but it's just really well built. He was saying a 71-year-old lady came down here not long ago. She completed it all. So, I mean, we should be all right, I guess.
So Charlie, tell me a little bit for the name of my village and the name of the village.
The stairs are getting fairly steep. I mean, it's still pretty good. When he built the steps, he had to climb down here holding on to just tree vines, the roots and stuff. and then, you know, start chopping out stuff like this. I mean, that's going there. You can maybe see him right down in there. We are right down in this gully. I mean, it wasn't that bad to get down here. It didn't take that long either. Like I said, some of the other waterfalls have been down way more sketchy than this one. But this is where we're heading. And secret waterfall. And we'll just walk through the gorge the whole way.
Going while you come through here though.
He was just saying we're here at probably one of the best times because the sun is just starting to shoot down the side of the cliff edges, and really it's just amazing. I can see the first waterfall. So right up there somewhere. As we're coming down here, we even get to plant our own tree down here as well. So we'll always have a piece here of us. Here's Charlie planting a tree. And Charlie, and there'll be a piece of you down here forever. Right next to that big waterfall.
Wow, this is amazing. Our guide who owns this property has brought us through this absolutely gorgeous canyon with tight to this waterfall. Oh my god, it's so lovely. And when you come around this corner, it's lush green. Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
Can you see the waterfall, darling?
The waterfall? Yeah, I can see that. I thought you said spider, I'm like frozen in fear.
And the guide is a bit of a comedian too.
We actually work there. We always taking care.
And here we have waterfall number 2. Charlie's standing down there at the bottom of it. All the way up.
Oh, there's lots of them up there.
The finale waterfall is so good. This is so good. We made it right up to the last waterfall. This is awesome. This is a great place.
So thank you very much for your coming. It's very important for us. Your coming gives us new spirit for doing something continuous for the environment. Before nobody come, but now with your coming here, give us a support spirit for doing something continuous. Thank you. We collect some rubbish and we do some planting, make a nature smile. Our planet.
Thank you so much for having us. It's been beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Dira. Dira. Thank you so much for bringing us to your home.
You're welcome.
So lovely.
We've just climbed back up out of the waterfalls. It's a bit of a hike, but well worth it for such a secluded secret waterfall. Dana, the owner, was also our personal tour guide for the whole trip, for the whole walk down there. Told us all about his local land and when he found it. He's the one who actually found these waterfalls. No one else has been down here. He also told us how much he's had to clean out the rubbish that's been thrown down in there, and now it looks really beautiful. It's all clean. The water's clear and fresh as well. Well, not fresh to drink probably, comes off of the rice fields, but he just has a real passion about his land, and I'm glad we came here and found this place, and I'm glad he took us on that bit of a hike trek to his waterfalls. 3 waterfalls all up, and the last one's just spectacular. You've already seen it. Recommend it. It's technically a secret. He does want a little bit, if he doesn't want it to go crazy, as in with tourists and stuff, I guess, but I doubt whether people will find this place too easily anyway. It's a bit of a ride. We were back and forth, up and down roads, got a bit lost a couple of times, but we got here and we're so glad we did. All right, they're just about to cook us a little bit of lunch as well. We're having vegetables with peanut sauce and some tofu and a little bit pedas, because I haven't had anything. Well, we both haven't had anything today except for, what do we have?
Coffee.
Barley coffee on the road on the ride out here. That's all we've had, and it's now 1 o'clock. Cool. All right, we'll see what this food's like and we'll talk to you after. Oh, maybe change of plans. We've been here for nearly 3 hours and we may not have enough time to get all the way up to Virgin Beach, because that's still 2 hours away, and we have to have the bike back by 5 o'clock. So we might go find a beach just out from here. It's only maybe half an hour. The beach is away from here, so we'll go down there, check it out. It'll be a black sand beach, I reckon. But you know, beach is a beach sometimes, isn't it? Put your feet in, cool down. All right, we're gonna eat. Talk to you after. So it's just vegetables, tofu, peanut sauce. Mine's a little bit of chili. Charlie no chili. And these little, in the shape of fish cracker things. Voilà.
And tofu. No.
A knock. A knock.
knock.
A knock.
No.
Tasty. Charlie's making cakes for us.
Good chef.
Good job.
Okay, wait for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, ready? You want already?
You take that.
No, it's hot. She knows what she's doing. I'll burn myself.
Mother Nature at its best. I'm guessing that used to be a shop or something, and the end of the road, and it's completely eroded away. There's excavators doing their job trying to save everything. There's the end of the road right there, and a wall that's just fallen in. I guess they're trying to save those houses over there as well. Yeah. Alright, we're back at our room now. Things didn't go to plan, but that's travelling, I guess. We sat around at a secret waterfall with Dira, talking about his land and what he does and everything he does for the community as well. And time just flew by, so we didn't have time to go out to Virgin Beach. We stopped off at a black sand beach on the way home. You've seen that the erosion there was extreme. They're trying to hold it back, save a few houses as well, with all those excavators moving the rocks. Yeah, so things didn't go to plan. I mean, it's getting close to 5. We've got to drop the bike off in a second as well. But good day, good outing, had a good time. All right, well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, maybe subscribe as well. It helps us out. We need to try and get this channel up and running a bit, just so we can show you what we're doing, get it out to more people who want to, you know, quit their jobs and go travel full time. Pick us so far. We're having a great time. All right, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.